Grr, they're mowing the lawns outside. It's annoying. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. It's like, no, I don't care. I just find it funny how, like, YouTubers be, like, flipping out and going crazy when somebody's, like, doing something or stumping on the floor when there's noise in the background. I actually enjoy lots of noise on the outside, thunder, lightning, planes, and all that, but, some people get annoyed by it. But I kind of like it in general. Anyway, 2. Alright, 2 is going to be y. X is going to be 3 to the second power, 3 to the second power, 3 to the second power. And that's going to give us 9, 9, 9. And carry over the 1, carry over the negative 1, excuse me, carry over the negative 1, carry over the negative 1. 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 is x, 8 is x, 8 is x. And now we have the ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Now let's start with the lowest one, x. We're going to do x first this time. X is... Pause real quick. Negative 8 over 9, negative 8 over 9, negative 8 over 9. So on the x line, it's going to be like somewhere around here, negative 8 over 9. And then the other part is negative 2, negative 1, 2 on the y line, and negative 1 over 8, so right here. I mean negative 8 over 9, negative 8 over 9, negative 2, negative 8 over 9, negative 2, negative 8 over 9, negative 2. Alright, and speed up, negative 2 over 3, that'll be like right here, and then negative 1, that'll be right here. And next is 0, 0, x, 0, y, 0, and next is 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, and it's like right here. And next is 8 for x, and 2 is y, and 8 is right here, and 2 is y right here. And bam, it looks like this. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, next one. Graph the function y equals f of x equals negative log base 3x. And hold up. Okay, just take out the f of x, take out the f of x, take out the f of x, bam. Now it's like this. Take out. Negative, what the, hold up. Y equals log base 3 over x. Now, let me pause real quick. Now, this might be the negative, the wrong part of the video, but what I'm guessing is you can't put a negative in front of a log, so you just switch it to the y. Switch it to the y, switch it to the y. This is a complete guess. Negative y equals log base 3 to the x power. Then when it's like this, it's easier. Small base b becomes regular b, small base b becomes regular b, small base b becomes regular b. Negative y equals becomes exponent y, negative y equals becomes exponent y, negative y equals becomes exponent y, and x becomes equals x becomes equals x becomes equals x. Now, this is a complete guess because I might be completely wrong, but when you get used to, like, when you go through this organically and go through all the steps, automatically when you see negative in front of a log, you can automatically think, oh, put this right here, 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 and you wouldn't even have to, like, really, like, solve it, like, you wouldn't even need an explanation. You just get so used to all the practices that you see this without an explanation, you'd automatically find a solution. Then again, not to be completely wrong, and that's completely not what's going on, but that's what I'm going to just use for now. I'm going to read this like one more time, just to make sure. Okay, I don't know if they skipped that in the tutorial, but I couldn't find any answer. But anyway, y is going to be negative now. Y is negative, y is negative, y is negative, y is negative. So, just drag, same again, drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. And equals x becomes x equals x becomes x equals x becomes x equals. Now we're going to solve like this. Alright, negative 2 is y, negative 2 is y, negative 2 is y. Bam, negative 2. Parentheses negative 2, parentheses negative 2, parentheses negative 2. And 3 minus, remember, the formula is going to keep it. So like, 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus, this is the base formula, base formula, base formula. And parentheses negative 2 is this, parentheses negative 2 is this, parentheses negative 2 is this. Before we continue this problem, look, 3 negative, 3 negative, 3 negative, 3 negative, 3 negative, 3 negative, 3 negative. Just so you won't get confused at first, this negative 2 is something we made. Negative 2, we made. Negative 2, we made. Negative 2,